Let's do an eyeshadow look for hooded eyes using the March shade of the month. This is Dream. It's so pretty. I really love it on any eye color. It's matte and it's kind of a medium tone, so it goes with any skin tone, any eyeshadow combination that you are playing with neutral colors. It's a really good shade to have in your palette. Take a little bit on your brush and just place it in the crease. Bring it up high enough to make sure you can see it if you have hooded eyes like I do. Okay, this is just Dream alone. That's a very light application. It's so pretty. If you're watching this video after March and Dream's no longer available, just let me know and I'll give you a substitute. But I'm using Dream Oak, Angel's Landing, and Cupcake. To clean this up and make the edges look nice and blended, go into a matte ivory shade. I'm using Cupcake. Get a decent amount on your brush and then flick a little bit of it off, and that's what we're going to use to blend the edges. Now we're going to go into a darker color. This is Oak. Use a small side of your brush to take just a little bit on the edge, and we're just going to deepen up the most inner part of that crease, almost in like a greater than, less than sign, and bring it towards the lashes, and then a little bit of shimmer if you like on your finger, and just press it on top of the lid just to catch the lights. I actually have some sunlight coming in now, so it's perfect to demonstrate right here. Add an eyeliner. For the bottom lashes, I'm going to take a little bit of Oak and a little bit of Dream mixed together. Just sweep under those lashes. I'm going to clean up with a little bit of Demi just for a little extra brightness. I love Demi to camouflage dark circles, but also just to kind of dab into, it's not the way it's supposed to be used, but to dab into it to clean up any eyeshadow mistakes that have fallen under my eyes after. Okay, here is the finished look. My light changed. I'm going to show you right in the sunlight. Such a good color for all eye colors. If you have any questions, let me know.